Magandang araw. This is J Mark and today tuturuan kita paano maging marketing director because marketing director is the stepping stone of the ultimate builder. Dito sa IMG, in order for you to become a marketing director, dapat maging part ka ng ating global campaign for financial education. Ang ating campaign is makapag-educate ng 30 million families by 2030 all over the Philippines and of course all over the world. Wherever there are Filipinos, of course, mag-share po tayo ng ating financial literacy campaign. Our promotion guidelines for marketing director. Marketing director, ito po yung position sa IMG kung saan meron kang 37% na override, 37% na commission rate, and of course, meron kang 17% na override income. Ang ating goal for marketing director is dapat ma-hit natin yung tumulong ka lang ng 5 tao na mag-IMG and of course, 5 tao na mag-Kaiser within 30 days. And of course, yan yung ating guidelines for marketing director. So ito po yung ating structure. To become a marketing director, dapat maka 5-5-30 po tayo within 30 days. 5 members and 5 Kaiser sales within 30 days. Ito po yung structure natin for marketing director. So ikaw to, of course, merong nag-join sa'yo sa letter A. Imagine lang natin na member din siya, then of course, kumuha din siya ng Kaiser, so 1-1 na po yung points na yon. 1 member and 1 Kaiser sales. So nakuha mo po siya ng September 22, and of course, sinundan siya ng letter B, no? September 25. So September 25, and of course, September 30 si C. Imagine lang natin na nag-join in own siya. And of course, October 13, and of course, natapos yung October 31, yung last mo, and of course, yung itotal mo yan, that is 30 days. So meaning, naging marketing director ka in 30 days. And of course, no, mapopromote ka bilang a verified marketing director of IMG. So 5 tao lang po yung tutulungan natin para maging marketing director tayo. Pag marketing director ka na, ito yung possible income mo. Pwede ka magkaroon ng 64,000 na commission every month. So, as a marketing director, so meron kang 37% dito na income commission rate. So what does it mean? Every sale na makukuha mo, example lang, 30,000 na sale, this is annual premium of our Kaiser plan K50, meron kang 37% na commission rate. So what does it mean? 11K or 11,000 every sale times 4 weeks or nakaapat ka every week, no? For the 1 month. So, nakaapat ka for the whole month, every week meron ka nako-close, so meron kang 44,000 na potential income. How about meron kang associate under you? Associate, yun yung mga tao na nagsisimula pa lang sa IMG, meron silang 20% na commission rate. So, 37% minus 20%, so that is 17%. So, 30,000 times 17%, pag meron naka-close yung associate mo, meron kang 5,100, tapos nakaapat siya sa isang buwan, or every week meron siya naka-close, so meron kang overhead income or passive income na 20,400. Hindi na po ikaw yung nagtrabaho dito, but of course, bonus po to ng IMG and Kaiser bilang ikaw ay marketing director. So, 44,000 na income per month as a marketing director is very achievable here in IMG. In fact, nung last May, nung ako ay marketing director, 46,000 po yung income ko. Ngayon, pag naging marketing director ka for the month of October, napakaganda. Bakit? Magiging marketing director ka, 37% na yung commission mo and meron kang 17% na overrides. Pwede ka mag-qualify sa ating free short-term healthcare kung saan bibigyan ka ng Kaiser ng short-term bilang financial educator. 70,000 per illness yung ating coverage dyan. Mag-qualify ka sa Trainers Academy with jacket. Limited jacket lang po yan. Then free IMG polo shirt and of course yung white and green yung ating MD shirt. And of course, you can get 10,000 pesos na convention subsidy. Magagamit po natin yung 10,000 pesos na free sa ating convention. And of course, marketing director, pin, and of course, blue pin. And you can join our MD coaching exclusive lang for marketing directors every Friday. Thank you so much, no? Do not wait, no? Maging marketing director ka na. And of course, this will be your stepping stone and your first step to become SMD, green jacket, and of course, magiging CEO. Thank you so much and God bless.